If you want to shop Pundak Abang products for 24 hours, immediately get the products. This is where you go to. So hey guys, for those of you who wants to shop for Pundak Abang products 24/7, you can come to Mustafa Center. So if you saw the lift just now, you can park your cars above and come down to level 2. So this is level 2 of the newer section. So of course the building has been around here for a very long time, but we are at the newer section, okay, at the far end of Syed Alwi Road. So here there are freezers, island freezers on the side here, and if you look here specifically, so this is where you can get Pundak Abang products, okay. So first and foremost, there's tapioca cutlet, green bean fritters, tahu bergedil. So for the tahu bergedil guys, don't worry, it already comes with the sambal inside. There's a choco fried bun. There's choco fried buns made from Nutella, red bean buns, my favorite chili fried bun. There's serunding, also very suitable especially when Raya is coming. There's also our donuts here. Then of course our famous sambal goreng pengantin hari-hari Hari Raya bersama Pundak Abang. There's also rendang ayam. That's our lemak cili padi ready to eat. It comes with rice, and that is the beef rendang with rice and bergedil. And of course hati lembu rebus, also suitable for Hari Raya. So this whole freezer guys, semua Pundak Abang yang produk ni, Masya Allah. Okay, sekarang tengah viral pasal sate. There's also our beef sate goreng, our famous beef rendang, Masya Allah tabarakallah. Our ayam masak merah, this is ayam kari, ayam kurma, kambing kari, kambing kurma, kambing rendang. This one is rare guys. This is the only retail that is selling, okay. If not, it's at our Frozen Mart and also our website. Sate kambing, our ayam masak merah with rice, lemak cili padi with rice, kita punya sate goreng ayam, and of course our core products, paru berempah is here, and paru rebus. Alhamdulillah. Other than that, you can also get Ramli products here. Alhamdulillah. So the Ramli products are fulfilled by us thanks to our partner, and you can get kepak ayam here, okay guys. This is kepak ayam berempah. 10 pieces are inside. You tinggal nak goreng ni. There you go guys. So you can grab and straight away make payment here in the counter. Dekat je. So there you go guys. If you want to shop Pundak Abang products for 24 hours, immediately get the products. This is where you go to. Assalamualaikum.